You just say cringy AF?
Yeah. Am I even more cringe now?
Yeah.
It's right in front of us. Oh, I see it. The truck 240.
Oh my god, what the fuck? Chuck it back, Chuck it back!
Wait, this thing's rolling down the hill with.
Come back, come back!
Yeah. Is this a spoon? Is what a spoon? Yes, Stewie, a bread knife is a spoon. Make sure you don't cut your lips, Stewie. Okay.
They're down there, you see him? He's down. What's up, boy? Everybody teabag, don't kill him. Lost the right nut.
The boss is here!
You like the BBC?
Come on, man. How many seats? Sorry, we got 4 like gunner seats. Let's load it. Hold on, wait. I gotta get the perfect shot for this.
Where are we heading to?
Firing range. Action. Load up that fortunate son. Rev up that fortunate son. Cause I sure am hungry. I have barricade. Like, what's the move you think?
Push him.
Oh my god!
That guy's good. I'm gonna watch the kill cam on that.
Let's push him. Has a direct line of sight and just drills us both immediately. That's the fastest 2 kills anyone will ever get in Blackout.
He has a golden gun, I think.
Oh my god, just all headshots.
Everyone. X-Force go. Everyone go.
Oh my god!
What happened? Oh shoot.
That's a grappling gun. Grappling guns have certain limited range.
Up
Up arrow on the left side of your D-pad, and then scroll over to the grappling gun. On the right, click your right arrow and scroll over, select it. Now R1, it has a limited range though, so look up some, maybe walk forward.
It really makes you feel like Spider-Man. That was the most fun I've ever had in this game.
It's like far out.
People, Jack, right next to the church, Jack, they're hungry. Oh my god.
We're in the church.
Hell no.
Spider-Man.
I just put 2 and 2 together. I was like, wait, we're in the church. Oh, we going in.
Is that the last circle? Behind you.
You need that window. Nice. Get in cover. Heal up. Get down. Oh no!
Get up. Oh.
I don't think you know. Oh, come on! Heal up!
I can't.
Isn't it this last circle? So it ends.
Nomad out here looking like Hulk Hogan.
Let me do you something, brother.
Not a little. Oh shit!
Oh shit! Yo!
Go!